And I think it's a really good representation of what we create. So many things. I love this.
There's a
There's
lot going on.
so much, so much. So one of the pieces that I wanted to that my brain went to immediately was, isn't it really interesting when we can't quite distinguish the emotion that we are attaching to this thing? So if you were really clear with the emotion of excitement, you wouldn't even be this would not even be a question.
I would say if last year didn't happen, I would be clamoring over myself to go.
And this is where it gets really interesting because now there's a bit of a gray area with the emotion that's attached
Mhm.
to it, and so that then impacts the clarity of the decision. So
Right.
and interesting that you can be aware of that gray area of emotion. Yet it's still difficult to navigate through it because if you don't feel it, you're not sure if it's the right thing